Voice AI isn't just the next big thing, it's already here. Did you know that there are 8 billion digital voice AI assistants in the world, outnumbering the world's human population? Yet, very few people understand the complex trade offs involved in making a good voice AI experience. Hi, I'm Rantej Singh, founder of Eligere Technologies, and today we're going to be pulling back the curtain on what really makes a good voice AI agent tick. So let's start with the basics. There are two types of voice AI agents: synchronous voice and asynchronous voice. Synchronous voice is where there is a real-time conversational interaction happening between the human and the AI. For example, talking to an AI telecalling agent. Asynchronous voice is where there can be a lag between one conversation and the other. And that could be, for example, you leave a voice message and a response comes subsequently later. For enterprises, synchronous AI, where machines and humans talk to each other in real time, is the real test case. Think of AI telecalling agents handling routine customer queries, making appointment bookings, or even qualifying sales leads. That's where a massive amount of voice AI deployment is making a large impact. Industries like BFSI, insurance, financial services, automotive, wherever there is a relationship-based sales, are having a big use case around deployment of these voice AI agents to engage with their existing customers and to also qualify leads for new business. So why are businesses going all into this? So first of all, it's a 24/7 experience. AI doesn't go to sleep in the night and there are no coffee breaks. Second is the consistency of experience. AI doesn't forget the script. And then the third is a scale. AI voice agents can handle thousands of calls simultaneously, which a human agent cannot do, of course. And there are now proven use cases. For example, companies using AI or voice AI for service booking and appointment booking are seeing a 40% jump in the number of appointment bookings they are doing. But here's the kicker. Getting the AI to talk convincingly is way harder than just chatting with a text bot. Voice AI is a game of trade-offs between realistic voice, response lag, the quality of conversation, and cost. The more authentic and emotive the voice, the more the processing power it requires. More processing power means more lag in response. Flat voices process much quicker, probably within 1 to 1.5 seconds, which keeps the conversation snapping. Add more emotional, natural sound with large knowledge context, and the response time can stretch anywhere between 3 to 5 seconds, and that's enough to frustrate the users. Research shows that every 1 second increase in response time reduces the customer satisfaction by 16% and can increase the abandonment rates, wherein the user leaves the conversation midway, by up to 23%. So if an AI voice agent responds in 3 seconds versus 1 second, well, that's enough to break the flow of the conversation and make the users bail. Delay is also caused by the context window or the organizational knowledge that the AI bot has to work with. So the richer and the more emotive the voice, working with the much larger context window drives up the cost. And this cost increase can be as high as 5 times. So as a result, the enterprises have to balance between the sophistication of the voice AI agent and the budget available to make it viable. So here are some practical design tips for voice AI success. If you don't need real-time interaction, go wild with advanced, realistic voices. For real-time conversation flows like sales and support use cases, favor speed and reliability over sophistication. High latency interactions see up to 2/3 of users try to escape to a human agent, defeating the very purpose of automation entirely. Above all, ensure interruption handling is rock solid. Nothing kills the AI vibe like an AI agent stumbling when a user talks over it. Voice AI is powering a multi-billion-dollar transformation in customer communication. The global voice AI agents market is set to skyrocket from $3 billion this year to $50 billion by 2034. That's a staggering CAGR of 35%. But the magic happens only when you strike the right balance between realism, speed, intelligence, and cost. So next time you interact with an AI voice, remember, sounding effortless takes a mountain of engineering brilliance and data-driven trade-offs behind the scenes.